Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be giving my honest opinion on Elevenlabs. So Elevenlabs is definitely the best AI voice generator that I've actually used. Tested quite a few, however I like the customization that Elevenlabs actually offers, such as the stability and clarity and similarity enhancement setting. Now usually if you test out any other model they wouldn't have these settings and they'll automatically be up this end, which makes it sound a bit more monotone. Now you can actually drop the stability on here, which basically switches it up and gets it speaking sentences how it normally wouldn't say it, which can give some pretty good outcomes. Now onto the reason I actually bought an Elevenlabs subscription is because of this instant voice cloning. Now this basically allows you to clone anyone's voice using just over a minute long sample data, which is absolutely crazy. You can, as you can see, I've already done it for a few Breaking Bad characters and also US presidents. There's also voice design. If you didn't have an exact voice in mind, but you wanted a rough kind of accent or whatever, or a rough person, you can change that here. You can change the gender, age, and the accent, and the strength, and generate, which is really useful. Something else which is quite unique in the voice library, all of these have been created from the community. So again, you can filter from accent, age, whatever, and you can test these out, and there's some actually pretty cool ones on here. As you can see, this one's been used by 12,000 people.
To exist is to change is to mature is to go on creating oneself endless.
And as you can hear, it's pretty professional sounding voice. Like that's something you'd pay a lot of money for if you're looking for a voice actor. So you can even use this for an advert if you want. I mean, the possibilities are endless with Elevenlabs. There's just so many cool features and they'll definitely be bringing out a lot more stuff in the future. So yeah, this is my honest opinion. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.